Welcome to our phonics lesson. On my chart, we have some letters. How many letters are on my chart, Jed?
5.
5, and these 5 letters have a special name. What are they called, Bailey?
Vowel.
Vowels is correct. Students watching, did you know the answers to those questions? Now, I have my teacher pointer, but I'm not going to go in order on my chart. Students watching, join the boys and girls in this classroom as we stand and follow my teacher pointer together. Ostrich, apple, umbrella, inchworm, elephant. Nice job. You can have a seat. Students watching, did you know all 5 of your vowels? Jacelyn, stand up and let's see if you know them by yourself. Students watching, join Jacelyn as she says them.
Ostrich,
Now stop right there. Jacelyn, our students watching can't see you, but I want them to know something about you. Jacelyn is saying her vowels with a smile on her face. Students watching, are you smiling as you say your vowels? I hope so, because I enjoy being your teacher, and Jacelyn enjoys being in my classroom. Jacelyn, let's start one more time. Keep that beautiful smile and that nice loud voice.
ostrich, elephant, apple, umbrella,
Excellent job. Tyson, stand up. Students watching, join Tyson also. Tyson, our vowels.
umbrella, apple, ostrich, umbrella, elephant,
Tyson was almost faster than my teacher pointer. Students watching, were you that fast too? Jaden K, stand up. Let's see how well you know your vowels.
apple,
Good, nice, loud voice.
umbrella, ostrich, elephant, inchworm,
I tried to trick Jaden, and students watching, I couldn't trick her. She knows her vowels. Nice job, Jaden. I'm going to turn my chart. And here we have a chart with all of our letters. Remember, if a letter is not a vowel, it is called a consonant. Once again, I am not going to go in order. Ladies watching and ladies in our classroom, stand. How well do you know your letters? Let's start together. Bell,
jar,
nest,
table, cat.
Thank you. Have a seat, and girls watching may sit too. Now, boys in our classroom and boys who are watching, stand and let's see how well you know your letters. Let's start together.
Ostrich, sun, bell, yarn,
Try this one again.
yarn, elephant,
Thank you very much. You may have a seat. Lucas, I'd like you to stay standing, and students watching join Lucas as Lucas says some of our letters. Lucas.
jar,
Look at which one I'm pointing to.
kite,
Now be a little louder so they can hear your good answers.
kite, ring, apple,
I'm glad you know your letters, and I'm glad you participated. Benjamin, stand up. Benjamin, let's see how well you know these. Students watching, join him.
elephant, jar, umbrella,
Thank you very much. Participation makes such a difference. Now, I'm going to point to a letter, and I'm going to ask a thinking question. Did you remember to think today? Here's what my thinking question is going to be. I'm going to ask you whether this letter is a vowel or whether it is a consonant. If you think you're going to get them all right, give me a smile. Students watching, are you smiling at me? Here's our first one. Is it a vowel or is it a consonant? Students watching. And Willow, tell us, is this a vowel or a consonant?
a vowel.
It is. Students watching, I think you got that one right too. Next one, Bailey.
Consonant.
She was fast with her answer. This one is just for students watching. All right, students watching right now, Xavier is going to check your answer. Xavier?
Old.
And it is a?
Ostrich.
And is it a vowel or a consonant?
Vowel.
It is a vowel. Last one coming up. Oh, students watching, it's going to be easy for Kyle. His eyes are right on me. Here we go. Following my teacher pointer. Is it a vowel or is it a consonant? Kyle.
Vowel.
It is a vowel. I couldn't trick Kyle, and I don't think I could trick our students watching. Now, we have learned all 5 of our vowels. I wonder if there's someone in our classroom who could tell me all of the vowels we've learned. Jed, stand, and Jed, share with us the vowels.
A, E, I, O, U.
That's it, and students watching, I think you knew those vowels also. Well, today we're going to start to learn our consonants, and I brought with me 3 consonants. Let's see the consonants I brought with me. Our first consonant is L, says ol as in lamp. L says ol, ol, ol. Listen as I say it again. L says ol as in lamp. L says ol, ol, ol. Let's say it together. Students watching, join us. L says ol as in lamp. L says ol, ol, ol. Boys in our classroom and boys who are watching, stand. Boys, let's say this consonant together.
L says ol as in lamp. L says ol, ol, ol.
Sounded nice. Have a seat. Girls and girls watching, stand. Bailey was fast. Let's do it together. L says
Ol as in lamp. L says ol, ol, ol.
Nice job. Have a seat. Students watching, say our new consonant by yourself. And help them with it, Hannah A.
L says ol as in lamp. L says ol, ol, ol.
And she was loud enough for our students watching to check their answer. Our next consonant is this consonant. And in this classroom, we are sitting at this letter. Our next letter is T, says T as in table. T says T, T, T. Listen as I say it again. T says T as in table. T says T, T, T. Together. T says T as in table. T says T, T, T. Sounded nice. Table 1, stand. Table 2, stand. That's you 2 students watching. Table 3, stand. Tables 1, 2, and 3. Let's say this together. T says T as in table.
T says T.
Nice job. Have a seat, Jaden. I like those eyes. Tables 4 and 5, stand. Tables 4 and 5 together.
T says T as in table. T says T.
Nice job. Have a seat. Our last consonant we're going to look at today is B, says B as in bell. B says B, B, B. Listen as I say it again. B says B as in bell. B says B, B, B. Together. B says B as in bell. B says
B, B, B.
Nice start. Everybody stand. Students watching, join us. Let's say it together. B says B as in bell. B says B, B, B. Have a seat now. I'm going to say each sound 3 times, then it's your turn to say it. O, o, o.
O, o, o.
O, o, o.
O, o, o.
B, b, b. B, b, b. Is there somebody who can say all of these consonants without me helping at all? Now, students watching, I'm sure you can, but do you think there's someone in our classroom who can? I think I know somebody in our classroom who can because her eyes have not left mine. Bailey, stand up now, Bailey. I'm going to mix these up. Students watching, we'll see if she knows them mixed up. Do you think you know them too? Here we go. First one, Bailey.
L says O as lamp. L says O, O, O.
She got it. Here's our next one.
B says book as bell. B says book, book.
Can she do our last one?
T says T as table. T says T.
Excellent job with that, Bailey. Students watching, did you get them all right too? I wonder, can Jaden K stand up? Jaden K, what does this say?
L says O as a lamp. L says O, O, O.
Next one, she's fast.
Says T as a table. T says T.
Excellent job. Here's our last one. Students watching, do you know it as well as she does?
B says bell says
What's this letter?
B.
Mm-hmm.
B says B as a bell. B says B, B, B.
You got it just right. Now, I'm going to give the boys and girls in this classroom and our students watching some words. I want to know what consonant you hear at the beginning sound. Now, a beginning sound means the sound I start with. Listen to our first word. Our word is lap. Lap. What is the beginning sound? Students watching. And what is our beginning sound, Jed?
B.
Oh, listen again, Jed. Lap.
L.
L starts my word, so it's the beginning sound. Our next word is the word bell. Bell. What is my beginning sound, Cooper? Bell.
Yes.
Now, what does it start with? What does bell start with?
B, B, B.
Yes, and that's my letter B. Good listening, Cooper. Students watching, did you get that one right? Here's our next word. It's the word tip. Tip. What's our beginning sound? Jaden L.
T.
T is correct. There's one more. Let's see who gets it first. Is it going to be a boy and girl in the classroom, or is it going to be one of our students watching? What do you think? Students watching, you think it's going to be you? Maybe boys and girls in our classroom think it's going to be them. Our last word, listen, and I'm going to call in one person, is bus. I wonder, did our students watching already answer? What's my beginning sound, Xavier?
B.
B is correct. Students watching, I know you got that one right too. Now today, we're going to do something with our consonants. We're going to take our consonant and we're going to put it with just one vowel. This is called a blend. When I have a consonant with one vowel, I call it a blend. And today, I brought something with me. It's a blend ladder. Now, if you know who this lady is, give me a smile. Students watching, do you know who this is? I think some of us might know that this is Amber Lamb, and Amber Lamb loves our blends that start with this letter. What letter do you see, Tyson?
A.
Look at this letter I'm pointing to. See it right here?
L.
L is it. And what vowel do you see with the letter L, Rio? A is correct. What does A say for its short sound? A is correct. Listen as I make this blend. Ol, a, la, 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 la. Listen as I say it again. Ol, a, la, 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 la. Let's say it together.
Ol, a, la, 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 la.
Let's go to our next one. Ol, a. It's my turn first. Ol, a, la, 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 la.
Ol, a, la, 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 la.
Ol, I, li, 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 li.
Ol, I, li, 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 li.
Students watching, do this one by yourself. And help us. How am I going to say this blend here, Leah?
La.
La is it. I can say ol, a, la, 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 la together. Ol, a, la.
La, la, la.
Our last one is ol, a, la, 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 la together. Ol, a.
La, 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 la.
Now, when we said those blends, we went very slowly. But students watching and boys and girls in our classroom, is there somebody who can quickly read my blends on my blend ladder going down? Now, students watching, I can't see all of your faces, but I think some of you are smiling at me just like Lucas is smiling at me. Lucas loves the letter L. And Lucas, I want you to stand and read our blends.
Ol, la, 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 la.
Now, do you think you could read it just like this, la, and go all the way down? Let's see if you can.
La, la, with.
Fast. Students students watching, he's faster than my pointer. I'm going to start again and see if I can keep up with Lucas.
La, la, li, la, la.
Were you as fast as Lucas was? Lucas, how pleasing that sounded. Can somebody climb up my ladder just as fast as Lucas climbed down? Oh, I've got some smiles in our classroom. I'm going to start, though, with our students watching. Students watching, are you as fast as Lucas? Here we go. Did you do it? Let's have someone in our classroom check. Isaiah, can you climb my ladder quickly? Let's see, Isaiah.
Wa, wa, li, wa, wa.
He was fast. Good job, Isaiah. Let's look, though, at the back of my blend ladder. And on the back is a challenge. They're all mixed up. Can you still recognize the consonant and vowel? Rio has his eyes right on me. Rio.
La, la, li. La, li.
That was very fast, Rio. Who can speedily climb up this ladder all the way to the top? Hannah S. has a smile on her face. Students watching, do it with Hannah S.
Li,
Yes, ma'am. Be a little louder.
la, la, la.
She did it. She read her blends quickly. Well, I have another set of blends I want us to look at. Tell me, what consonant starts these blends, students watching? And Jed, what consonant do you see?
A.
Oh, Jed, make sure your eyes stay on me. What consonant starts these blends?
T.
T is my consonant. I am not going to go through our blends because I think there is a student watching and there is a boy or girl in this classroom who can do it all by themselves. Jaden K can do it. Jaden K, let's read these blends.
Ta.
Yes, be louder. They want to hear your good answers.
Ta. Ta. T. Ta. Ta.
Everyone right. I am pleased. Is there somebody, though, who can climb up my ladder? I'm going around this ladder. I am looking at boys and girls in this classroom who I think know their blends. Tyson, stand, and Tyson, climb up my ladder.
Da. Di. Di. Da.
Students watching, were you as fast as Tyson? I'm turning this to the back. Let's see if I have someone who can do our blends all mixed up. Willow says I can do it. Students watching, join Willow as she says these blends. Willow.
Ta. Ta. Ti. Ta. Ta.
She is fast. Brock, stand up, climb up my ladder.
Ta. Ta.
Oh, Brock, our students watching can't hear your very good blends. Start again and be louder.
Ta. Ta. Ti. Ta. Ta.
He got them all right. Students watching, I think you did too. One last blend ladder is coming up, and Benjamin loves this blend ladder. Because Benjamin, what consonant does my blend ladder start with?
B.
It does. Benjamin stays standing, and students watching join Benjamin. He's going to climb down my ladder.
Ba. Bi. Bi. Ba. Ba.
Nice job. I'm turning this blend ladder to the back. I want to see who has these all mixed up and can say my blend ladder. Right now, I need Jacelyn to stand. Students watching, join Jacelyn.
Ba. 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 Bi. Ba.
You got it. Now, students watching and boys and girls in our classroom, I'm going to do something. On my board, I'm going to put some thing that looks like a smile. In fact, it is a smile. Whenever you see this above a vowel, it means to say its short sound. So what if I wrote this blend on my board and I put a smile over it? Who can read this blend? Students watching, can you read this blend? And what blend do you see, Jed?
Ta.
Ta is correct. Now imagine these blends have a smile over the vowel. Students watching, climb up this blend ladder. Give me its short sound. and check their answers. Kendra, let's go lightning fast.
Bat, big, bug, ball, bat.
Nice job.